broadcasting to you live from Tampa, Florida. I would like to shoot this. I'm shooting this short video just to let you know the exciting times that we're having here in Florida, and just to let you know that if you're serious about taking control of your financial future, you can do the same thing that I've done. Now, the company that I'm using to take control and the vehicle that I'm using to take control of my financial future is called a 3-day exciting event that you're talking and learning with millionaires about how to be financially secure. So if you're serious about taking care of your financial future, please feel free to contact me. At the bottom of this video, you'll see information. I would love to talk with you and share with you everything that I'm doing, and maybe it might be something that you're interested in doing also. So with that being said, this is Sandra Essex, your Network Marketing Success Connection, signing out until the next informative video.